What I do, because I do stew special.
Okay.
I don't cook stew like how some people cook stew. I be patient to do stew.
It's true.
Yes, because stew, you have to cook something to make people full joy.
That me know too. Full joy.
Yes. Everybody use N. I don't like the name N.
When I meet them, I come again.
N, it's like say, I don't like hear the word. So I say full.
Full.
Yes.
Yeah. Yes, people, you know.
Yeah, they have some people love the leg.
Chicken.
The leg of the meat.
Yeah, man.
Yes, so that's why we have to put the leg, the breast, the wing, and motivate. That's why some people love flesh. I mean, I love so much of flesh. I love the bone.
Bone.
Me love the bone. Yes. I'm not saying for others.
Yeah.
I'm saying for myself.
Yeah, the bone.
Yes. But I have to give people what their choice.
True.
Yes. So we don't get trouble.
That's simple,
No.
That's simple living, you know?
Yeah, we are right.
I want people learn a new style. Again?
This is the country style special. Steam fry.
Steam fry, people.
Yeah. So whatever time you do, you see we throw the water in it, it make a difference. Because we don't want it to crisp. So we call it steam fry.
Yes. People have it, you know?
Yes.
Black place people. It's the place to be.
Yes.
You know? Come get your food.
Never
Can't go wrong.
No.
You see me?
That's look what I do and you will see my energy.
True. Aye. Life full of and respect, you know?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Life full of respect and love, man.
Yeah, man.
And the people right here.
Sometimes you open New Year for you, so all of them are going to like.
Everything.
Everything. The bun. Look like it. I have the one that last time they do it. The trust okay for you?
Yeah, man, that was for me. Yeah, man. People may get my touch right now, you know?
Yeah, this is your
Sample the food until you know.
I remember my bamboo school, brother. No, I remember. Look, now the machine and then come back again.
Stew chicken, people.
This is a stew chicken.
Yeah, man.
So we use the fry and we use the stew.
Stew.
And the sauce, you're gonna full dry it. I promise you, you're gonna full dry it. Yeah.
Banana festival.
This is the festival.
Banana fritters.
Banana fritters.
Boiled banana, people.
Yes.
Yeah, man. Not get high on.
We mixture everything.
Yeah, strong food.
Yeah. That's Jamaican Black's kitchen side special.
Alright.
So, we full joy.
Alright.
A piece of this and a piece of that.
Piece of that.
So make you feel
okay.
happy. If you don't want it, you let me know.
Alright.
Yes. So, we make you full joy.
Let me know too, you know.
Yes.
The people, I want to film me, I go sample the food.
Yes.
And tell you know how the food tastes.
It's a blessing.
Yeah, man, it's a blessing, man. Man of blacks, you know.
Yes.
Respect,
yes,
man.
Brother. What you mean?
My own people.
Alright.
Yeah, man. sample my one and test it, you know? I want to eat the people. Good man. Sell off. Yeah. Yeah man, respecting the blacks.
Yeah, man. Bless you.
Manners man. Yeah man. Yeah, man, so people tell you how the food tastes. Not bad. Get a piece of chicken. The man tastes good. These are fritters now, people. Yeah. Black. Full shot.
Right. This is when I run to the kitchen
You
side.
sell off and the push man can take some food. Get away you do. Yeah. Yeah man.
Anything I eat, it was one sampling.
Full shot man.
You know we stay on the kitchen side already, brother. You know, run to the kitchen side.
Yes people, me sample my food now. True man.
Because what?
Yeah man. Thing shot man.